All right, let's get in the trenches with the leading stocks in the tech sector. There you go, a little confusing. Scott, want to go to Apple. I know you blew through that support level of 320, which was surprising to me because I feel like it should have been up on the RIM's bad quarter.
Well, maybe they think it's just an overall handset scenario and a slowing economy. But I do think that Apple today is crucial. Over the next few days is crucial because if it doesn't hold this 320 area and starts to accelerate lower, you're going to see negative psychology pick up and you're going to see some selling pick up. So look right here. I've talked about this area for so long. This is your 325 area that's been holding since, I would say, January-ish, and we're starting to break below. If you take even a more macro look, you'll see how crucial it is because look how we're getting below it, and we're also starting to break what could be, a big uptrend that hasn't been broken in a while. So right now, today, I would watch Apple close. If it starts to speed up and 318's Friday's low, if it goes through there, you have like 306 and then 300. That's going to be my clues on if we could hold this area or if we go down and take another big discount.
Stock down about 0.75% already today. Also down 0.75% as Netflix blew through some support levels we were talking about last week. Has it become like the short now? It was the leader in the group, and now is it the short in the group?
Well, ever since that red dog reversal that you like to roll your eyes to also, which is an outside day technical bearish pattern to take notice, it's been a great short for traders. If you look at it here to show you, Netflix has been a winner, huge winner, but short term, this is what traders were looking for. That push through, break down, closing the lows, and then more follow through. So I would watch here for the a 244 if it were to get below this. I think ultimately Netflix should get down to 230, maybe around 225. So you could add to the
shorts here, or you want to see what it does right at this level?
It could hold for a bit and then could go lower. I would have liked to have seen you either get out here or short here. Now that it's down almost 30 points from the high, it's a little bit more tricky. I wouldn't be a buyer just yet.
All right, Amazon trading at around 186. What does it mean, though, that the retailer is holding up well?
At this point, it doesn't mean that much because it's also in a bearish pattern. Every time it tries to hold support, it bounces a little bit. This is holding above some key moving averages. It tried to hold the 100-day. It looks like it's going to go below. This Amazon, again, here's your exit, guys. Here's your ascending channel, potent down day. That's your advertisement to say get out, something changed. Couldn't get back above it, went below this 190, and now it's holding around this 182 area. I do think that if this correction stays in place, we're going to see about 175 on Amazon before I think you can get back involved.
All right, let's go to Cena. We've been following this very carefully. Just down again today, about 1.25% already. I mean,
this group is just battered and bruised.
It tried, right? It tried last week.
It's been trying, and it's been like the road to the 200-day, just like everything else. We're saying, can these things get to the 200 days? Now they're here. And they don't seem to be bouncing so hard off of it, so you have to be careful. That just shows you how bearish of an environment we could be in. Here's that Sana. Here's your upper pennant, broke to the downside. Get out. If you missed that, here's your bounce to retest it. Wow, look at that engulfing bar. And now we're at this 200-day. If this 80 area does not hold, we could be seeing today around 74, 75. And I'm going to be looking to see if it could show us some relative strength here. A lot of these have been beaten down. I want to see what these negative futures. Can leaders bring us out of it? If that happens, maybe we hold for the day or so. So I'm watching this close for opportunity.
But Baidu actually ended Friday up, so I wonder if that, since that's usually the strongest stock in the Chinese internet sector.
Well, Baidu I'll probably go to first because there is more quality, there's more institutional support. It's a little safer. Sina's been a little nuts. So I will see if Baidu can go from negative to positive, and then if other stocks in that group could join the scenario as a sector. So for Baidu, you take a quick look here. It also, all the way down to this 200-day, look when it broke the support of 146. Feels like yesterday, but it wasn't. It was a long time ago. And now we're at this 200-day, 114 is really big. If this doesn't hold this little area here, you're going to see a gap fill down to this 110 to 107 zone. But let's see if we can get a trade there for cash flow today with these negative futures.
Trade